A call is answered, an email lands, the sketch unfolds, the countdown starts. A promise made, so the brief doesn't sleep. Heads are scratched, pencils sharpened, numbers crunched, costs reckoned. The idea is alive, for the brief doesn't sleep. Project planned, sample shared, design developed and detail drawn. The workshop wakes, but the brief doesn't sleep. Cut and crafted, logged, then labelled, gathered, assembled, painted and packaged. The wagons roll, yet the brief doesn't sleep. Listed, loaded, launched and landed, tracked, unpacked, arranged, assembled. The ticking roars, and the brief doesn't sleep. Checked and balanced, fixed and focused, tightened and tweaked, practiced and polished. The crowd awaits, for the brief doesn't sleep. The clock stops for a moment.
And go stage 1.
The sketch brought to life, and so the brief sleeps.